for today, which I said I want a situation whereby when an opportunity is close one, your manager must get a message at his own end. Now you create new email template. The new email template we want to create is going to be opportunity. The name we'll give it to it is going to be opportunity closed, close one. Opportunity close one. Then related to what? What object is going to relate to now? If I'm creating opportunity close one, then this template is going to relate to what objects? It's going to relate to opportunity. Let's take note of that. Then let me just describe it as opportunity close one. Then I call it subject opportunity closed one today. Then now everything is okay with it. So if I want to use HTML to get this one done, which is going to put us into trouble of coding, then you do HTML of it, which is beyond the scope of a Salesforce administrator. Just what you need to do, you save it. Now, at this point now, is available as opportunity close one. There is no lightning template builder here. You need to make the builder button available here so that you can now go inside the builder to now configure it the way you want, how you want it to be, and everything at that end. In order for you to make it to make that button available here on this opportunity close one email template, what you need to do, this is the aspect that will take you to the back end now for you to get the job done. So you go to email templates. Yeah, you go to permission set. You go to setup. From setup now, you go to permission set to give that button, to make that button available at that front end. You go to the permission set. The permission set now is where you can, even you yourself as an administrator, is when you create a permission set and you assign it to yourself. That is when you'll be able to use it for this template, for the email template builder. This is how you configure Lightning templates, Lightning email template, Lightning experience email template. All these one we're doing in the past, we're doing it classic. You know, I said it that later I'm going to demonstrate this, and as God will have it, is synchronized, is going to introduce us to workflow, because we need workflow to finish the job at the end of the day. So after we created the workflow, then we migrate it to flow. Excellent. Now let me create the permission set, a new one entirely, and let me give it the permission set name. Then I will save now. Let me save. So when I save now, I go to the system where you get it. You go to this system permission. Then you look for the, let me see it here. drag and drop content builder. Exactly. Create and manage email template and content in drag and drop builder. So this is what you will need. Then you say edit. From edit now, uh, access drag and drop content builder. You select it. So when you select it, you save. When you save now, this is you save it. Then this is the time for you to manage assignment. You need to manage assignment. So this is when you assign it. We have been doing this now, so we are all used to it. Okay. I look for myself. I give this to who is again? Can we give this one to Jack Rich? Please, do we understand this concept, please? So let me assign it. Yeah, so that I know that is done. Okay, assignment was successful. Okay, done. Then I'm done now. Yeah, let me refresh it now. This is the email template. So when I refresh it, it should give me, you see now, the builder is there. I've gotten the access to the builder. So edit builder, you're going to see it just like a lightning builder is going to appear. So if you want to listen to if you are doing that for the first time, if you want to listen to this video to guide you on how to navigate it and all the rest, I won't have time to do that. You just let me close it because it's the same thing I want to do. So this is a builder before us, email template builder before us. It has a lot of buttons, it has a lot of stuff that you can navigate all around. Full style, if you want to add style, you want to give it background, you want to change background to different color, you can always do that. If you want to anything you feel like you want to change in it, you can do that. Image template, opportunity close one. That name that we gave to the opportunity close one at the front end is already available here. If you want to match a field, there's some field you want to match. In this case that we have opportunity that we're working with, then if you want to match field that is going to help you to pre-build code that you're going to use to match different fields, all those stuff that is going to be a kind of global functions, you'll be able to pull it out through that button. And if for any reason these are buttons here that can HTML, image, rich text, whatever you want to do, you just click, drag and drop, click, drag and drop, click, drag and drop. It's going to help you to customize a very beautiful stuff like that you're going to send as image of your company to your manager. You can as well do it that whenever a contact is updated, whenever a contact this thing, you should send an email to somebody when a contact is created. That will be coming from your company. That if you do that, then a new business partner will receive a welcome message from your company. You can use it to do all that. You can do so many things. The way Classic, we use it to configure so many things, the same way that this email template builder is going to as well help us to do so many works, to put so many things in the right perspective and help you to do your job professionally. All these buttons, all these components were not available in Classic. So this is a modernized, um, template that you have in Lightning Experience. That's why Lightning Experience is always the best. The Classic is the old school. This is the new school. Let's just start doing something with what we have before us. Now, the first thing I'm going to do, I want to change. I want to take this image and give to this place. Yes. Now, I can now go to my system and select a particular image there that is going to, if I have an existing I can select from the options that Salesforce has given here too. All these ones I can. Yeah, I already have talents logo trans the one I have used before already here, so I can insert it. Yeah, but if I don't have, I can go with the option of going into the system and pick image that I want from my laptop, upload. I can upload from my laptop. But already because I've used something like this to build um, um, image templates in Lightning Experience before, that's why I have it as available, readily available there. I can easily pick. It's the same thing. If you're working on a template builder for your company, since even if you are not the one that actually configure anything like that, so if you need for any reason, if you need your company logo and somebody have used it there to configure something before, it will always be available for you to pick at all times. So that's one thing that is going to do for you. Now let's add more things to this. If I want to have any style, if I see that it's too big, I can reduce it to say, okay, I want it to be reduced to like to reduce the size to like 70. So I can do that. I can, if I want to do object fields, I can do that. Contain, cover, whatsoever. Then content now. If I any reason I want to do any content, image, include alternative text for screen reader on the image. That's include. So let's say uh I don't think it's gonna hard anyway. Talent, talents, link, so it's not hard in any way. So anything you want to do, you can do. You have URL or anything you want to do, you can always do that. Then, if I want to add the next thing that we had now, I can add button. Oh no, let me add button yet. Let me add rich text. Let me add rich text to it. Or if I want to add button, I can as well add button. So this button that I just added, I can say click button or something. So I can configure it for that and change it to click button. So let me change it. Click. So it's going to change to click button. Okay, that change. Now I want to change the style. The font size, I can increase it to like 20. It's going to increase. If I want to change the color to like let's say green, I change it to green. Oh, sorry. Let me change the style. It didn't go through. Button color. I want to change it to green. So I click on, yeah. Then if I want to make it bold, we can do that. I think content. I want to make it bigger. I think I've done that. Uh, bottle size, weight, position is at the center. If I want to take it to the left, I can take it to the left. If I want to take it to the right, I can take it to the right, but I want it to be at the center. So all those configuration you can always do. So that is It's sending me. Oh, let me change it to I mean click button, not name. Click button. Now that's that one. Then let me now use this one to do configuration now and do some stuff. In this case, I'm trying to say when our opportunity is close one, I want my manager. Uh, I want my manager to receive, let's say the sales rep has close one an opportunity. They want a kind of automated message to be received anytime at the front end that anybody click on any of the end users click on close one opportunity stage is at close one. Any opportunity state that is close one, the manager should receive an alert and all that. That's what will guide me in doing whatever I want to configure here, please. Let's take note of that. Now, now I will go back to this place to mark field that will pick, and it's going to be my recipient's name now. My recipient name, the first name of my recipient, which is this. So let me insert it. Yeah. Then last name. Let me insert last name for the recipient, the person that is going to the manager. So where is his last name? Let me pick last name. So last name now. Recipient last name. Okay. Now, wow. So let me just explain this thing that I'm doing. It's very easy. The thing is this. I want a situation whereby a message will be sent to a manager after an opportunity is close one. Then the situation is that what is the quantity of that opportunity that is close one? So the quantity is this. This is the quantity. You need a quantity fit to say, okay, 200 solar panel or electronics or whatsoever, it will pick it out of the system. Immediately that opportunity is close one, this record will going to match and those number will come out successfully. You will see, I pray get through, we will see the demonstration. Then sum, opportunity amount, that means the total amount of the opportunity. If it is 2 million, if it's 3 million, it's going to be here. So then opportunity name, the name of that opportunity is going to also reflect here. This is what is going to pull out opportunity name for us. That's why I match the field like that. Then I say this one now, it cannot be, I'm the sender now. Then let me get the details of the sender. That's what is going to happen next. What is the detail of the sender? Then I'm going to match fit for it. That we just mentioned the name of the sender, recipient last name, recipient first name. So now, you know, when you are writing a short letter now, you need to have the name of the sender. Then that does it. Let me pick that up. This one now, this time around, is going to be sender. Then the sender last name, first name, mark it, give another space. The sender last name. If you only want the first name, you can leave it like that. But I always go insert it. You can see now. That means it's going to quote my name out of the system now with this code, this JavaScript code. It's pre-built for us. We're not the one doing this code. You're going to say Isaac as a sender. I'm the one sending this email template. Isaac, the last name, allow should become. It's going to put it out of the system. That's what all this code will do for you in a global sense. Now, I think that is it. You can just say talent linker, talents linker, then full stop. It ends there. Now, everything, it doesn't, there's still some modification I will do to this to make more sense. I want a situation, I will give a URL that will quote the company name from the system. Now, let's say opportunity name. Yeah, I want to give this one URL. I'm quoting the opportunity name. Then I will click this. This is where it will help me to get that job done. I'll name it opportunity name. Yeah. Let me go to the back end now and go to opportunity. Where is opportunity? Let me go to sales and pull out opportunity. Now I'm on opportunity object here now. What I'm going to do here now, I'm going to get the URL of the opportunity. Let's say KKB, everything here is +1. So let me use this one, opportunity for Baker. That is not +1. Even if I can pick anyone, all what I need is this. So I'm going to copy this now entirely. I'm going to take it to the template. So that if I close one that particular opportunity, I'm going to receive my manager is going to receive an email alert. That's what I'm trying to demonstrate. No, the link URL link is going to be here. So if I want to change the name on that, the name there, I can put different name there, but it's okay. Then I click this now. This is the ID number. We all know this one as the ID, record ID of any record on Salesforce platform. They are always assigned record ID. This is the record ID. It's kind of a singular thing. I want it a generic form, but let me save it first. Now, I want a situation that when you see now it's asterisk already. When my manager gets the opportunity name and click on it, it will land on that opportunity on the Salesforce platform. That's what I'm trying to achieve here now. When my manager click on this, it's going to land on the opportunity record that has just been converted to confirm all the quantity, everything is the same. We get it now. That's what is going to happen. And the one I copied the URL is this one, which is the opportunity for Baker 1304. Please help me to take note of that so that we can use it to demonstrate later. But what I want to do, I want a situation that anytime that opportunity is being +1, If I do it for only this, that means only this thing, only this that this template is going to work for. It's not going to be a general thing. I want it to always happen to all record that is being closed on my platform, that a manager of that person at the back end is going to receive an email alert. So for me to achieve that, I will go further to this match field here. This match field, I will click on it. Then I want to, oh my God, let me cancel it. I want to do it here. I will copy it here first before I can change it. Now, let me match field for opportunity ID. I want to look for the general opportunity ID. Then I say ID for opportunity. Where's opportunity ID? You see now, this is opportunity ID, account ID. That's not what I need. It's going to copy for me the entire general ID of all opportunity. Whenever I have opportunity, it will always be helping me to match it rather than using that singular stuff. Then let me insert. Now I have it already, opportunity.id. Then let me copy it. Immediately I copy it, I don't need it here, I delete it. Then now I go back to the to this one that I've copied, I've used already for that singular, this one, this baker, this thing. I copy it. Now I'm going to change it to the general one for entire opportunity so that it can work for all opportunity that is being closed one. It's not going to work for only this one. So that's why I need to change it. That's the reason. So I click on it twice. You see now it has opened. Now let me look for it and change it, the record ID. I change the record ID to you see now. Are we together, please? Do we get this concept? It's very important too. Now I copy it. It's not difficult. You see now, I've copied this. That means now anytime that any opportunity is being closed one, an alert about that close one opportunity will be received. That's what it means. Then I click save. Yeah, I click save. Now that I save it now, everything is almost looking gorgeous, fantabulous, okay. Now, I want to change this thing. I want to give it background. Let me click this. Let me change this style. I want to give this one background. So let me give it a green background. Uh, uh, I gave it green background. So this is the template now as it is. That is going to give opportunity message, wow message, to the manager of this sales rep. It's going to be received at the front end and all that and all that. I think every other thing now, it looks good now. It looks good. Detail. Okay, let me save. Then now I go back to where I will now configure, this is it here now. You see now, it's possible to click on it, but don't click on it yet. You see, this as you see now, all those messages, how it's going to look like at the front end, my orga at the top and all the rest, receiving, everything looks so beautiful. This is the kind of message somebody will get from your company and all that.
Right, that's a wrap up for today's video. I hope you have picked up some valuable insights and actionable tips in Salesforce ecosystem. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give this video a big thumb up. If you found it helpful, I'm Asikola Oshirikan and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.